Hiya, my name is Ren, and I'm here to teach you about the letter X. Let's get started. This is the letter X. Let's learn what sound the letter X makes. The most common sound the letter X makes sounds like a blend of the letter K sound and the letter S sound, like this. X, x, x. Can you give it a try? Go ahead. Nice work. The letter X sound is not common at the beginning of words, so let's look at some words that end with the letter X sound. Axe, box, fix, fox, mix. Those words all end with the letter X sound. Let's say those words together this time. Axe, box, fix, fox, mix. Nice work. Now it's time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you get to tell me if that word ends with the letter X sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word six and then ask you if it starts with the letter X sound, you would say, yes, it does. But if I were to say the word spoon and then ask you if it ends with the letter X sound, you would say, no way, spoon does not end with the letter X sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word, ox. Ox. Does ox end with the letter X sound? Yes, ox does end with the letter X sound. Now for your second word, cat. Cat. Does cat end with the letter X sound? No way, cat does not end with the letter X sound. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word, mix. Mix. Does mix end with the letter X sound? Yes, mix does end with the letter X sound. Nice work. Thanks so much for joining me today to learn about the letter X sound. See you later.